As I promised you guys, I'll be making 3 quick and easy drinks that your guests can enjoy during the holiday seasons, or if you want something warm and delicious for yourself. First up, I'll be making a crock-pot cocoa. This drink is for the old-fashioned hot chocolate lovers. You can add so many different toppings or flavors to this drink. Sometimes I add a couple teaspoons of coconut milk and drizzle it with whipped cream. I've gathered all of my ingredients, and I'm going to put 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of half and half into the crock pot on the lowest setting. Then I'm going to combine all of my other ingredients into a pot on the stove top and let that simmer for about a minute before transferring it to the crock pot. Now I'm going to make some whipped cream. All you need is heavy cream, a little sugar, and some vanilla extract. I'll be using my hand mixer. You can also use a stand mixer if you choose to. This hand mixer comes with these awesome extra attachments for various recipes. Now that my whipped cream is ready, I'm going to use this cute holiday mug to enjoy my hot chocolate. Next, I'll be making a peppermint white hot chocolate. You're going to start out by getting a few white chocolate chips and add that to a pot of milk or half and half. Let that simmer in order to melt that chocolate. This is also where you can add the peppermint extract to give the drink that extra flavor. If you don't have any peppermint extract on hand, what I like to do is use crushed peppermint around the rim of my glass or hang a candy cane onto the mug for garnish, and as the candy cane melts down, it will add the peppermint flavoring. For this drink, all you need is matcha powder, half and half, heavy cream, and white chocolate. So for this drink here, I'm just going to use a mug. It's super fast and easy to put together. All of the drinks I made today can be turned into crock pot drinks. That way your guests can enjoy hot drinks during their visit. I like to have various garnish and toppings and snacks displayed for my guests to try out with their drink. Here, I'm just going to constantly froth and add the white chocolate and hot milk mixture until I get to the consistency that I like. Once I'm finished, I'll have a nice foam layer from using the frother, and I'm going to top it with some of that whipped cream I made earlier. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said same Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes.